Looking for a great HVAC torch kit? Look no further than Uniweld. Uniweld has been making quality HVAC tools for over 50 years, and their torch kits are some of the best on the market. Here are the 8 best Uniweld HVAC torch kits, all of which are great for a variety of HVAC applications. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Harris Ironworker 510DLX Oxygen Acetylene Torch Kit. If you're in the market for a quality oxyacetylene unit, the Harris Ironworkers 510DLX kit is a great option. It comes with everything you need to get started with welding, cutting, and heating, excluding tanks, and it's available at a reasonable price. The kit includes good quality regulators, safety glasses, a striker, a 20-foot hose, and a carrying case. Harris and Victor are 2 of the most recommended brands when it comes to oxyacetylene torch kits. Both brands offer quality components. Harris tips are some of the best in the business, so we give the edge to Harris. As with other oxyacetylene torches, the rare complaints about this product center around leaking or non-functioning regulators. However, with a 7-year warranty, this shouldn't be a true worry for those considering this purchase. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the SAB Victor 0384-0945 G150 JP Light Duty Gas Welding. The Victor Technologies G150 JP is a great choice for those in need of a torch on the go. This kit comes with all of the same accessories as the company's base kit, plus a convenient carrying tote for your miniature oxygen and acetylene tanks. You can purchase a set of personal-sized tanks for a minimal fee and begin work right away. Some consumers have noted that the oxygen regulator included in this kit is not compatible with the thread pattern of today's standard tank configurations, but this can be easily remedied by picking up an alternate regulator or locating an appropriately sized adapter. At number 3 on our list, we have the Torch Oxyacetylene Tough Cut Outfit. The Miller Electric MB55A510 is a premium-grade torch kit that is perfect for weekend projects. The kit includes a cutting attachment, torch handle, heating head, welding nozzle, striker, and pressure regulators. The Tough Cut torch is also compatible with all Smith brand tips and nozzles. Some consumers have stated that the Miller Electric kit striker is of rather low quality. Luckily, this is rather incidental in nature, as this does not affect overall torch operation. Replacement strikers can be easily purchased for a modest fee. At number 4 on our list, we have the Victor Technologies 0384-2540 Metalist 250 System Medium Duty Cutting System. This Victor Technologies torch kit is the perfect choice for those looking to take on all types of in-shop or on-the-farm projects. This set comes complete with a medium-grade 202x3 163 hose, a basic torch set, regulators, 2 nozzles, soft-sided goggles, and a striker. The Victor kit is capable of making up to a half cuts or 5 cuts with the use of optional tips and welding metal up to 5/64 thick. Some consumers have reported issues with the kit's regulators beginning to leak over time. While this is indeed worth considering, such concerns appear to be relatively infrequent when compared to the number of Victor units sold annually. At number 5 on our list, we have the Hobart 770502 Medium Duty Oxyacetylene Kit. The Hobart Medium Duty Oxyacetylene Kit should be ideal for anyone who needs a set of quality torches at their disposal when the inevitable need arises. This kit is capable of cutting metal up to 1/23 thick or 6 thick, with optional tip, and welding metal as thick as 3/323 or a half, with optional tip. While the Hobart kit is intended for use with acetylene, it can also be used with propane by switching to the use of an optional tip. When purchasing the Hobart 770502 torch kit, it can be helpful to check the accompanying regulators from time to time. While the kit's regulators are generally deemed to be of high quality, some consumers have expressed concerns over leakage-related issues. At number 6 on our list, we have the Lincoln Electric KH990 Porta Torch Kit. Anyone with an interest in welding will recognize the Lincoln name. This Lincoln Electric Oxyacetylene Torch Kit is a great intro to oxyacetylene welding and pretty much ready to go right out of the box. All you need is to get the tanks filled exchanged at any welding supply shop. The portable kit includes a 12-foot welding hose, 20 cubic feet oxygen tank, 10 cubic feet acetylene tank, torch handle, cutting attachment, welding goggles, oxygen and acetylene regulators, welding and cutting tips, mixer, and flint striker. As is, it can cut up to 1 inch and weld up to 1/16 inch. Add larger tips and a bigger acetylene cylinder, and the numbers go up to 4 inch and a half inch respectively. At number 7 on our list, we have the Ameriflam TI350T Medium Heavy Duty Portable Welding. An Ameriflam portable oxyacetylene torch is considered a good option for light applications. The small tanks it comes with make it especially portable as a complete unit, but they do not hold enough gas for extended use. The connectors are standard, though, and you can easily hook the torch up to larger tanks when you need them. The hoses are tough enough to stand up to dragging them around the work area, but at 12.5 feet, they are not long enough to give you much freedom of movement. The goggles that come with the kit interfere with a clear field of vision and are too heavy for wearing more than a few minutes at a time. The TI350T does not come with as many tips as the Campbell Hausfeld kit below, but you can add your own tips at a reasonable cost. And finally, at number 8 on our list, we have the Campbell Hausfeld WT400000 AV Oxyacetylene Torch Kit. Campbell Hausfeld is a leading manufacturer of inexpensive tools, and the WT400000 AV is a good example of what sets the company apart. The torch is designed to fit your hand comfortably, so you can hold it as long as necessary without tiring your hand or wrist. The kit has everything you need except the gas, but connects to all standard tanks for easy use. If you have non-standard tanks, you may need to purchase adapters separately before connecting the gauges, but those are readily available at any tool supply company. The kit includes 5 tips to fit most common uses, along with accessories such as a striker tool and safety glasses. The hose is a dual-line combination which bends well, and being able to store the hose inside the case gives it extra protection for a longer life. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.